Hi guys, this time we will work on matrices topic and we will look different functions used for matrices in the Scilab. So let's create our first matrix, A matrix, with 2 columns and 3 rows. In order to use columns we need to use the semicolon, as you see, and here is our first matrix. And let's create now identity matrix, which is very much used in different situations, and as well as the zeros matrix. And here is our identity matrix, so in the diagonal ones and the rest is 0. Then zeros, let's create 3 by 3. So here is zeros matrix. And basic functions for matrices, for example, we can calculate the sum and mean of the elements of the matrix R. So let's do this. It's simple, just sum A and mean A. Another important parameter, of course, finding determinant, inverse function, and transpose of the matrices. Let's first of all again write A matrix and transpose of the A matrix simply using this symbol, and here is the transpose, simply the rows and columns change it. And then determinant of the matrix, but for determinant we need square matrix, so I'm going to create one square matrix. So determinant B, and for inverse as well we need square matrix and inverse B. So we can also, for example, find the inverse in this way. Let's do this. Let's create one identity matrix, 2 by 2, sorry. And what we do, we divide identity matrix to B, and here you see, or you don't see, here you see the same result of using one time with inverse and second time just simply dividing the same result. So let's go in the end of this tutorial look at matrix and element-wise multiplication. So let's create consistent matrices for multiplication and multiplication purpose. For example, A transpose is very good matrix. A transpose is 3 by 2. We can then multiply it to B because it's 2 by 2 matrix. So 3 by 2, 2 by 2 should give us 3 by 2 again. Inconsistent matrix, sorry, we need to use AT matrix. So here it is, and of course element-wise multiplication, but for element-wise multiplication we need the matrices in the same size. So let's create one C matrix, again 2 by 2, and multiply it to B. In order to multiply it element-wise we need to use this dot symbol here, and it will mean element-wise, and matrix again, let's see, by B. So in the first time we multiplied element-wise C by B, and the second time we multiplied a matrix. Thank you for watching. In the next tutorial 100% look we will do post for loop, and we will do matrices in the same tutorial, and we will generate Fibonacci numbers in Scilab.